Welcome to This Explainer. Look, the modern workplace is moving incredibly fast. And let's be real, we're all constantly hunting for those quick productivity wins. Anything to avoid hours of manual spreadsheet labor, right? And right now, artificial intelligence is delivering those wins like absolutely nothing we've ever seen before. But beneath all that incredible, rapid efficiency lies a pretty major hidden vulnerability that we're going to unpack today.
Okay, let's dive into this. Picture this super relatable scenario. You're an employee staring down a massive, highly confidential company report. Instead of spending days agonizing over it, you just feed the raw data into an AI chatbot and boom, finished in 5 minutes. It feels like absolute magic. It seems like a massive productivity win for everyone involved. But here's the catch. What if that report contained highly sensitive customer information, financial records, or proprietary business secrets?
Which brings us to the $1 million, actually kind of terrifying question. Where exactly did that data go? Who can access it right now? Could it be stored on external servers or exposed without your company having any clue? This unseen, unmanaged flow of sensitive data into third-party tools is a massive, growing challenge. It's what cybersecurity experts call shadow AI, and it's rapidly becoming one of the biggest unseen cybersecurity risks facing organizations today. So, here is our roadmap for This Explainer. We'll be covering the rise of shadow AI, why it happens, the hidden cybersecurity risks, how companies can respond, and finally, employee best practices. Part 1. The rise of shadow AI. So, what is this exactly? Shadow AI happens when employees use AI tools or AI-powered apps completely without the knowledge, approval, or governance of their organization. We're talking about AI chatbots, coding assistants, presentation generators, transcription tools, you name it. The defining characteristic here is that these actions are happening entirely under the radar of the organization's IT and security teams. The company essentially has a massive blind spot. And this brilliantly illustrates the shift. You might already be familiar with an older headache, shadow IT. Years ago, that was the big problem, employees installing unauthorized software or using personal cloud storage without IT approval. Today, we've got a very similar issue, but it's moving so much faster. Instead of downloading heavy, complex software, employees are simply opening a web browser tab and using unauthorized AI chatbots, coding assistants, and generators. It's the exact same core governance problem, but with a technology that is just far more powerful and accessible. Part 2. Why shadow AI happens. Think about these common everyday AI use cases: writing emails, analyzing spreadsheets, generating reports, writing code, or maybe even summarizing a painfully long meeting. These tools are incredibly useful. They make tedious, everyday office tasks a total breeze. And on top of that, many of them are completely free and require absolutely nothing more than a web browser to access. Because the barrier to entry is basically non-existent, employees naturally gravitate toward them to make their work lives easier. Which brings us to a fundamental truth about this whole issue. Most employees aren't trying to break company rules. They're simply looking for faster ways to complete their work. It's not malicious behavior. It's a completely innocent, entirely understandable drive for efficiency. The problem really kicks off because this rapid adoption is happening before companies even have the time to develop clear AI policies or set up proper security guidelines to protect their data. Let's move to part 3 and see how this builds into the hidden cybersecurity risks. Let's anchor this with a scenario we can all probably relate to. Imagine a marketing manager who is slammed, prepping a massive, confidential product launch strategy. They're on a tight deadline. To save a little time, they paste the entire draft of their launch strategy into a popular online AI tool and just ask it to improve the wording. Super common scenario, right? Just someone trying to do their best work quickly. But hold on, think about what was just exposed there. That single document included product pricing, unannounced launch dates, detailed marketing plans, and private partner agreements. Sure, the marketing task was finished quickly and the wording sounds fantastic, but highly sensitive, competitive business information is now just sitting in an unapproved external system. The company has absolutely no record of where that information went, if the AI company is retaining it to train their future models, or if it violates their own corporate policies. Now, what's really interesting here is how that single innocent action fractures into 5 distinct types of massive corporate vulnerabilities. First, we have data leakage, like pasting a customer complaint into a bot, accidentally exposing names and account numbers. Then there's intellectual property exposure. Picture a developer pasting proprietary source code to troubleshoot a bug. Third, compliance violations, which are absolutely massive for regulated industries like healthcare or finance. Fourth is inaccurate responses. relying on AI output that contains fabricated info without actually having a human review it. And finally, unapproved extensions, those sneaky little productivity tools that request broad sweeping permissions to access your emails, documents, and browsing history. It's a seriously compounding risk profile. Part 4. How companies can respond. The absolute most crucial takeaway for leadership right here is this. The goal is visibility and risk management, not discouraging productivity. Seriously, do not ban AI altogether. If you ban it, you don't actually stop employees from using it. You just drive it further underground. The shadow gets darker. Instead, organizations absolutely must encourage responsible, secure adoption. So, the crucial point is this sequential roadmap for organizations to regain control without totally stifling workplace innovation. Step 1 is creating an AI usage policy that clearly defines which tools are approved and exactly what data can be shared. Next, train employees on data privacy and the actual limitations of AI. Step 3 is vital. Provide approved solutions. When you give your team secure, officially sanctioned AI tools, they literally won't need to go seeking out unapproved ones. Then, continuously monitor AI usage on company networks so you maintain visibility. And finally, step 5, protect sensitive data by classifying information and putting hard controls in place to reduce accidental exposure. And finally, part 5, employee best practices. For everyone listening, before you use any AI tool, just run through this quick mental checklist. Ask yourself, is this tool officially approved by my organization? Am I about to share confidential information? Does this document contain customer or employee data? Have I removed sensitive details where possible? And, critically, did I manually verify the accuracy of the AI's output? Using AI responsibly isn't just about protecting the organization, it protects your own professional standing too. At the end of the day, shadow AI is simply the result of organizations adopting AI much faster than their governance and security policies can keep up. Artificial intelligence is completely transforming the workplace, improving productivity, and automating all those repetitive tasks we hate. We shouldn't fear it. With the right balance of clear policies and responsible usage, we can fully embrace this AI innovation safely while keeping our data locked down tight. Which leaves us with this final, kind of provocative thought to reflect on today. Does your workplace actually have an AI usage policy? Or are employees just totally free to use whatever AI tool they choose? It might just be time to ask that question at your office. Thank you so much for joining this explainer. Stay secure and keep learning.